Hi guys, here I have some seasoned chicken. I'm gonna cook some fricassee chicken, Caribbean style. So I've poured some oil in my pot, not much, and place my chicken into my pot when it is hot. When the oil is hot, I will brown my chicken on one side for a few minutes. Then I will turn them on the other side. My chicken was seasoned with black pepper, cayenne pepper, all-purpose seasoning, and the meat seasoning, and also some turmeric and a little salt. As you can see, as I turn my chicken is browning nicely. It's becoming brown nicely, but we say browning where we're from. Yes, so we'll continue to brown it. Now that my chicken is brown on both sides, I can remove the chicken and add more to the pot. While I am taking out those that are done, I am putting those that are not done as yet, so they too can be browned and get ready to be cooked down. While my chicken is browning, I went ahead and prepared my natural herbs, my natural seasoning and spice, such as my tomatoes, my bell peppers, my scotch bonnet peppers, onions, scallion, and thyme, because I'll be adding those to my pot. Now that I've added my seasoning to my pot, I will also go ahead and add some water. This water is going to be used to put down my seasoning and my chicken. Next up, I will add some Maggi all-purpose seasoning and some chicken spice. I'll also add some soy sauce. I will be also adding my chopped carrots. It ain't fricassee chicken unless you have some carrots and maybe some cabbage, but I don't have any cabbage today, so I'll go ahead with my carrots. After adding my carrots, guys, this is what my pot looks like. I've tasted it. It tastes wonderful. Now I'm gonna add my chicken, the main ingredient, and allow it to cook for a few minutes. Cover it and allow it to cook for a few minutes. Then I will check on it until it comes down to a smaller amount of water in the pot, which will be the gravy. So it has been about 15 minutes that has passed, guys. My chicken has been cooked, and I will share it with some cornmeal dumpling, green bananas, yam, and a piece of pumpkin.